Yo, hello everyone, and welcome back again to a brand new video. Discord enthusiasts and Python programmers, are you ready to level up your Discord server with a custom bot? In this 2024 tutorial, we will dive into the exciting world of bot development using Python. Whether you are a seasoned developer or just starting out, this video will guide you throughout the process of creating and deploying your own very Discord bot. Get ready and let's get started. So before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you have the full information. So guys, for this specific video, we are going to actually start learning throughout this article. So the first thing we are going to follow in this video is this table of content that has some kind of really in-depth details that we need to know. First of all, we are going to skip a couple of things that are basically so basic, such as what is Discord and what is a bot. Or we can get into what is a bot, but Discord is basically I mean most of you know what is it by now, so let's skip that part and go to the most exciting part, which is what is a bot. So Discord, or basically Discord, is growing in popularity. As such, automated processes such as banning inappropriate users and reacting to user requests are vital for a community to thrive and grow. Automated programs that look and act like users and automatically respond to events and comments on Discord are called bot users. Discord bot users, or just bots, have nearly unlimited applications. For example, let's say you are managing your Discord guild and a user joined for the very first time. Excited, you may personally reach out to that user and welcome them to your community. You might also tell them about your channels or ask them to introduce themselves. The user feels welcomed and enjoys the discussions that happen in your guide, and they in turn invite friends. Over time, your community grows so big that it's no longer feasible to personally reach out to every single member. But you still want to send them something to recognize them as a new member of the guild. With a bot, it is possible to automatically react to the new member joining your guild or your server. You can even customize its behavior based on the context and control how it interacts with each new user. So, in this video, we are going to learn how to actually create your own bot using the Python language in the development. So there are two key steps when you are creating a bot. Create the bot user on Discord and register it with a guide, and write code that uses Discord API keys and implements your bot's behaviors. So here we are going to learn how we can actually make a Discord bot in the developer portal. Before you can dive into any Python code to handle events and create exciting automations, you need first to create few Discord components. You have to own a Discord account, an application, a bot, and a guide. You'll learn more about each of these. Creating Discord account, basically simply have to go to discord.com, as you can see here, and create an account within this page, or you can simply download the software and create the account within the software itself. After that, creating an application. So you have to go, and applications allows you to interact with Discord APIs by providing authentication tokens, designating permissions, and so on. To create new applications, select new application, as you can see right here in this image. We can zoom it in. As you can see, this is the developer portal, and click on new application. Next, you will be promoted to a page where you have to give it a name. So this is the name of the application that we gave it. After that, congratulations, the application or the bot has been created successfully, and it's going to be looking something like that, where you can customize it just like your profile picture and just like your Discord profile. You give it a name, a description, an icon or profile picture, and so go on. After that, you are needed to build a bot. So you are indeed going to make your own customization to this profile. So what you'll have to do, once you confirm that you want to add the bot to your application, you will see a new user in your profile or in the portal. As you can see here, bots, this is the bot, and this is the user that has been just created as a bot. Notice by default your bot user will inherit the name of your application. Instead, update the username to something more bot-like, such as read Python tutorial bot and save changes so people can know that he's your bot, not a real user. Then you have to create a server, which is pretty easy. Go to Discord here, as you can see, for example, and basically here we could go and click on create, something like so. Let's go right here, click on create and create my own, and you'll be able to actually create a new Discord server. So this is one way on how you can actually create a Discord server. After you're done with that, of course, you will have to give it a name, and congratulations, just like that, you have created your own server. Now you have to add your bot to your server, so simply go to your developer portal and simply go to Authentication 2, and as you can see here, you will have to click right on it. After that, from this window, you will see the Authentication 2 URL generator. So as you can see, go all the way down and you will find it right here. Click on copy, and Discord has generated your application authorization URL with the selected scope and permissions. Select copy beside the URL that has generated for you and paste it into your browser and select your guide from the drop-down options. After that, if you go back to your server, you will see that the bot has been added successfully, and here it is. In summary, now we have created an application, a bot, server, and a Discord account. Now you still didn't give the bot some kind of like permissions, or not permissions, you give it the permissions, but functionalities. It still doesn't do anything, it's just a user. So since you're learning how to make Discord bot with Python, you'll be using discord.py. Discord.py is a Python library that exhaustively implements Discord's APIs in an efficient and Pythonic way. Begin by installing discord.py with pip, so pip install discord.py, and then start to make your creating a Discord connection. So this is the code. You can take a screenshot of it and paste it in your code. After that, you have to create a file named .env in the same directory as bot.py, and you will need to replace it within your files right here. So you need to replace the token by your own token ID. So your bot token here, Discord token, equals your token ID. After that, you have to install .env with pip, and after that you have both set up bot.py and environment you can run your code. So now you have to simply interact your code and add whatever you want to your code so it has some functionalities. The functionalities are completely up to you, so you can be as creative as you want. You can make it say hi to new users, interact with some kind of messages, ban and kick users, or welcomes users. So this is exactly how you can run Discord on Python and create a bot for yourself. Thank you guys, and see you guys in the next tutorial.